Okay, I think we're on day 3 of our journey to rebuild. And yesterday was kind of a mixed bag. I started off feeling really good and got a lot done. But towards the end of the day, I started to feel really sluggish and was having a really hard time concentrating. And I think that sometimes we don't acknowledge the mental toll that grief can take on us. I know that Janessa and Jason both have been experiencing what they call brain fog, and I think it's true. I know for Janessa, just some things are really hard to focus on and do, and I felt like I was feeling that last night, so I took a little bit of time off and spent it with my kids. And it's like I think survivor's guilt or whatever they call it. I feel guilty being with my kids because my sister can't, and I've got to work through that. That's a me issue I've got to work through, because especially now it's important for me to be with them and to be grateful that I get to be with them. So did not get everything done that I wanted to yesterday, but those things will get done today. I got Sparkly.co. Their I don't know what to call it. The infrastructure is pretty much fully built and we've got everything connected. I'm finishing up with Tumblebee Bling's infrastructure today. I have a meeting with her, and something interesting actually came up because Tumblebee Bling does the bejeweled wine tumblers, and Sparkly.co is doing shows in Napa Valley. I've been able to create a partnership for them to work together so that they can help each other grow. So I'm really excited to get that going for them. It's going to open opportunities for both of them. I've got to focus on the mentoring program for a lot of reasons, but I have found these videos helpful for me, but I would love for them to also be helpful for you. I know that there's a lot of you out there that have your own small business, and it would mean a lot to me if I could help you with whatever challenge or struggle you are facing in your business right now. So if there's anything that you have a question about how you should handle, especially in these difficult economic times, even for us, we've known a recession's coming and been taking measures to prevent it having issues because of it. But still, when the reality hits and the sales decline, it can still be stressful. So if there's anything that you are struggling with right now, or have any questions about what you could do better in your business, I would love to hear them. I would love to be able to give back in some small way. Finding purpose in what I do again is been very healing for me, and I would really like to continue that. So, thanks. My endings are always uncomfortable because I'm a big nerd.